Ready to bring a private conversation back into your main chat list on Viber? Learn how to unhide a chat and access it without needing a PIN every time. Unhiding a chat in Viber moves it from your hidden chat section back to your regular chat list, making it easily accessible without having to enter your PIN each time you want to view it. You will need to remember the 4-digit PIN you set originally when you hit the chat. So, to get started from the Viber app, first go to the search bar. There, type down the 4-digit PIN you set when you first hit the chat. Once you do, you'll see all the chats that you've hidden. Tap and hold on the chat you want to unhide. And in the prompt that pops up, tap on the unhide option. As a final step, you'll have to type down the PIN one last time. And once you do, you'll have unhid the chat. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.